If you want to see how I took my Canva head from this to this, then make sure you keep on watching. First thing first, you're going to need something to put your water in. You're going to also need boiling hot water and of course the soap. I use the Dawn soap because it is good and this is what I had in my kitchen at the time. You're also going to need some type of scrubbing brush. It can be a toothbrush, a scrubbing brush, anything, just something that you can use to scrub the Canva head with the soap so that you can get as much as possible of the makeup and grime and whatever else you have on your Canva head off of it as much as possible. So once you go ahead and fill up your bucket, or even if you're using a sink with the boiling hot water, you're just going to go ahead and just start drenching your Canva head in the hot water. Be careful. Do not burn yourself. I did burn myself a few times with this water because it is hot. You just want to make sure that you cover the Canva head as much as possible with the water. Now it's not going to sink, it actually is going to float. It will in no shape, way or form get inside of the Canva head, so it'll only just float to the top. So it kind of makes it a little bit difficult to do it the way that I did it, which was put it in this bucket, but we're going to get it done. So you're just going to squeeze a good amount of the soap onto the brush, and then you're just going to work your way in there, scrubbing as much as possible. Don't be afraid to scrub it too hard because it's not going to damage your Canva head. And you just want to rub in on every stain spot that you have on the Canva head. You're going to pretty much repeat this process until you feel like it is pretty much the stains and things are gone and just to your liking. I'm going to go ahead and just let the video play because it's kind of self-explanatory. Just scrub, rinse, repeat until you get the desired results that you like. So I'm just going to go ahead and let the video play at this point. If you have not already, be sure you hit that subscribe button and also turn the post notification bell on so you won't miss when I upload. But until next time, and I thank you so much for watching.